Hey guys, my name is Darish Parada and I'm a chemical engineering major from the class of 2024. Today I'll be talking about my project on using Yarrowia Lipolytica to produce isoprenol from formaldehyde with zero emissions. So for those who don't know, isoprenol is a commonly produced chemical used to make aromatic compounds and pharmaceuticals, and it can also be used as a precursor for biofuels. So the two main things we used in this project was the one carbon compounds such as methanol and formaldehyde due to their low cost and sustainability, and the other is using this variant of yeast called Yarrowia Lipolytica, where we used two strains of it in this project, where the parent strain was called PO1F, and then a knockout strain that did not contain the FLD1 gene, inhibiting it from converting formaldehyde into CO2. So the overall objective of this project is to one day use Yarrowia Lipolytica and metabolize CO2 to produce isoprenol with high carbon efficiency. So the two types of experiments we conducted over the summer was one, the toxicity assay, where we group the parent and knockout strain in YC media with either methanol or formaldehyde, and the other type was a NASH assay, where we took the parent strain and knockout strain and put 0.5 molar methanol with it and measured its formaldehyde production over time. So after conducting our experiments, we concluded that the knockout strain actually exhibited higher growth levels compared to the parent strain when grown in YC media with the methanol, and we basically concluded this happened because the knockout strain was actually able to convert methanol into formaldehyde and use it as a carbon source and actually boost cell growth instead of actually inhibiting its growth. But overall, formaldehyde did have a much greater effect on growth as opposed to methanol. As you can see in figure 4, as you increase the formaldehyde concentrations, the cells slowly start to decline and die off. So in the future, what we plan to deal with is using this homoserine pathway and try to find ways to alleviate this toxicity formaldehyde has to Yarrowia Lipolytica. So I just want to mention that this project is not done yet and there's still much more to do, but this is just the start of it. And so in conclusion, I learned a lot over the summer, whether it was safety protocols or just, learning the experiment protocols and using basic lab tools. And I chose this project because I feel this is, although ambitious, it has a lot of potential where one day this research can be used to reduce the cost of biofuels and reduce its carbon footprint. So thank you guys for coming to my presentation and watching it. Hope you guys have a great day.